Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present our project on portable smart vending machine based Internet of Things. I'm Dr. Hasima. This is my team. We are from Unimed. As introductions, what is the vending machines? Vending machines are considered as one of the greatest inventions, which is provides items such as snack, beverages and etc. to the consumers after payment are inserted into the machine. The smart vending uses digital technologies to create automated retail solution to deliver products without human staffing. So the retailers, vending operators have been always seeking ways to increase revenue stream, to enhance profitability and to maximize their return on investment of their operations. As the problem statements, deployment of smart vending machines become emerging trends. From the customer's perspective, the demanding customer nowadays look for a better user experience that is fast, convenient and also personalized. However, stacking items are among some of the most common vending machine issues. So selections can get stuck in their way to the bottom of the machine, which is not only terrible frustrating for the purchaser but can cause them to do not want to use the machine again. So the objective of this project is to develop portable smart vending machines based IoT to remotely track and manage inventory with data analytics that incorporates customer data into planning to ensure appropriately stocked vending machines. Further, the use of IoT enables portable smart vending machines in helping retailers meet customer expectations for convenient personalized shopping wherever they are. Portable smart vending machine based IoT has commercial potential in various locations, for example, manufacturing or distribution facilities, offices, apartment complexes, hospitals, nursing homes, care facility, car dealers, school, community colleges, and also the universities.
So this is our smart vending machine. And initially, it will show welcome and please choose your item. And okay, firstly we will refill the slot A and B for this ADP for this project. So initially we put the password start and the hashtag for going to the maintenance mode. So this is the maintenance mode. So we will refill A first. When we refill A, it will show here the motor will rotate counterclockwise. So we will put our product over here and we push back to the inside. Okay. So we will you choose B for the B slot. And okay, we finish the refilling and then we press the start. So we will come back to the selling mode back. So for example, we will buy the A product back. So we press A and our LCD will show the item A and its price. So its price is 50 cents, so we put 50 cents. Okay, so when it will show thank you and push the button, push the item to the okay. When push the button drop. So it will show the balance back when you take the product. Okay, so and it also will update the database and the IoT. So initially our item we make it 4 initially, so it's -1 for A, and this is the amount of the money in the machine. 50 cent because of the money show in the cents unit. Okay. So we will repeat the buying process for the B item. For example, so we press B over here. So here B, and we should show the item B and its price. So for this time we use the extra money for 20 cent. Okay, so this is 20 cent, 50 cent, and 50 cents. So total amount of money we put is 1 ringgit and 20 cent. So extra 20 cent. We will show. Okay, so the item will already drop and take the item. So balance we show 20 cent. And also we update on our cloud IoT Blink cloud. So and also the number of product B minus already one item minus, and the number of money already increased by 1 ringgit. Alright, that's all.
As conclusion, in this project, portable smart vending machine-based IoT has been developed. The concept of smart vending machine with IoT helps to maximize vending machine efficiency through remote monitoring to ensure they don't go out of order. Portable smart vending machine-based IoT enables to track and manage inventory with data analytics that incorporate customer data into planning to ensure appropriately stocked vending machines.